Next topic, term of the Lok Sabha. Generally, Lok Sabha enjoy the term for 5 years from the date of first session. The term of the Lok Sabha 5 years. The term of the Rajya Sabha is 6 years. It can be dissolved by the president before the expiry of the term, the advice of the prime minister. But the Rajya Sabha never dissolved. But Lok Sabha we can dissolve by the president, advice of the prime minister before the term 5 years. The emergency provision of the constitution enabled to the president to dissolve the Lok Sabha either advice of the prime minister or being convinced that no party, no alliance party enjoy the necessary majority of the house. That means during the emergency time, on advice of the prime minister, the president dissolve the Lok Sabha or no party not get a majority in the general election during the time also the president can dissolve the Lok Sabha. This is the term of the Lok Sabha. The next, how the Lok Sabha members are elected. The election of the Lok Sabha. The member of the Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people of the constituency created of the basic of population. The member of the Lok Sabha elected by the people in direct election, by the general election. You know the Pondicherry MP, do you know that? How they elected by the people, not only Pondicherry, in Tamil Nadu and other state of India, the people are directly elect the Lok Sabha member for 5 years. Next one, the Election Commission of India arrange the supervise and conduct the election to the Lok Sabha. Who is conduct the election for the Lok Sabha? Mean Election Commission of India. This is the conduct the election, supervise the election and announce the result of the election. For sake of election to the Lok Sabha, entire nation divided into number of constituencies which are found more or less on the basis of the population. That is very, very important. You know that India is a vast nation. Indian population, you know that. So in the same time we won't conduct any general election all the states. So that the election department divide the Indians people as per the population in many constituencies and conduct the election phase wise. How they are elected by the Lok Sabha member mean universal adult franchise, Tamil, Vaidu Vandor Vakurimai. That means if you are completed, you are an Indian citizen, if you are completed 18 years or 18, you have to write to the vote, you can select your representatives. So in this way only the Lok Sabha members are elected. Next one, what are the function of the Lok Sabha? What are the functions they are doing? Any bill can introduce and passed in Lok Sabha, including money bill. But Rajya Sabha, money bill never introduced. But here, all kind of the bill introduced in Lok Sabha and pass any bills in Lok Sabha. This is the first function of the Lok Sabha. Second one, it has same power as the Rajya Sabha, participate in case of impeachment, president and judges of the Supreme Court. If you want to remove the judges of the Supreme Court judges, remove the Supreme Court judges or president from our Indian soil, we need some of the support from the Lok Sabha member and the Rajya Sabha member. In this way, the Lok Sabha member doing their functions. And also, it has equal power of the Rajya Sabha in passing any bill for the constitutional amendment. If you pass the any bill or introduce the any bill, it needs Lok Sabha members. How we need supported Rajya Sabha members. Similarly, Lok Sabha member also has same powers. Lok Sabha member have power to elect the representative like the president and the vice president. This is a common one. The Rajya Sabha member also elected president, vice president. Similarly, the Lok Sabha member also they elect the president and the vice president. The next, the motion of the no confidence can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. That mean motion of the no confidence mean nambikilla vakkeduppu. Where it is possible mean only Lok Sabha. If it is passed, then prime minister and other council of ministers needed to resign their post. In this confident paused in the Lok Sabha, Prime Minister and his other ministers, they want to resigning their post. That is the motion of the no confidence. They not show the support or strengthen of the confidence. They want to resigning the post and then a department also. This is the function of the Lok Sabha. So student, what we are discussing now, Lok Sabha over, Rajya Sabha over, what are the term, what are the election, function, everything we are explaining so far. The next one, we are going to new topic, speaker. The speaker, who is the speaker? Lok Sabha is presided over by speaker who is elected by its member. The speaker is nothing but he is elected among the members for the Lok Sabha. The speaker only presides over the meeting. That means Lok Sabha. The office of the speaker occupies essential position of the parliamentary democracy. The speaker position very, very important in the Lok Sabha. The speaker continues to be in his office even this house is dissolved till new speaker is elected by the new Lok Sabha. The speaker continues his post till come to the next speaker or dissolve the houses. He continues his office. That is very, very important. The speaker presides over joint sitting of the two houses of the parliament. That means he joins sitting. Sometimes the speaker joins the two houses and preside the over the meetings. He has power to decide whether bill is money bill or ordinary one. He has power to decide whether bill is money bill or ordinary bill. He only decides if the bill is important or money bill or any bill. He with his permission only it's very passed in or introduced in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The decision of the speaker on whether bill is final. After his final decision only, the bill is considered as a money bill or is an ordinary bill. Who is giving that assurance for it is a money bill? Speaker only. Sometimes he is not satisfied, means he is considered as an ordinary bill. Or he is satisfied, means he say is a money bill. Under the Anti-Fiction 1985, the Speaker is empowered to decide whether member of the Lok Sabha is disqualified or not basic of the 10th schedule of the Constitution. In 1985 Anti-Defection Act, what they are telling, the Speaker only right to disqualified of the Lok Sabha member on the basis of 10th schedule of the Constitution. Sometimes some of the Lok Sabha members are not obey in the session. So during that time, they dissolve the Lok Sabha member qualification. While other office of the speaker vacant or speaker absent from the sitting of the deputy speaker preside except a resolution for his own removal under the incident. In case the speaker is due to the unable to attend the parliament session, that means Lok Sabha, deputy speaker preside the meeting and everything except resolution for his own removal under that legislation. But deputy speaker not remove any person, but he preside the meeting. This is very, very important. Speaker means who is the speaker, what is his duty, and what he decided. What is very importance of the speaker means he is decide the bill is money bill or ordinary bill. That is very, very important. The next important topic, function powers of the parliament. Function and powers of the parliament. The Parliament of India has function, legislation, overseeing administration, way of passing the budget, ventilation of public grievance, discussion of various subjects like department plan, international relation, international policies. This is the first function of the Parliament. That means the Parliament only has passing the any budget or discussing the any subject, even the development plans, international relations, international policy, everything discussing where mean the parliament only. So that parliament doing the very important function. Next important function of the parliament is also vested with the powers impart the president to remove the judges of Supreme Court, High Court, Chief Election Commission. That means with the help of the parliament members, we are removing the president, vice president, Supreme Court judge, High Court judge, chief election commissioner, all controller, auditor general, everyone we are remove. He has powers. Who has power? The parliament only powers to remove this kind of the persons.